Hey everybody, it's Nazara with Nazarasfinecrafts, and today I'm going to teach you how to do this crowned picot border, or picot border, depending on how you pronounce it. Normally you would use just like a straight border. I actually have this in kind of a hexagon sort of shape. Let me see if I can zoom out just a little bit. So it's not exact with mine, but I will explain how to do it. For this I am using paint box yarns. Here's the cotton Aran. So this is a 4 medium weight. And I am actually, it says to use a 4.5 millimeter knitting needle or crochet hook, but I'm using a, oh, let's see if we can get you, 3.25. My camera doesn't like to zoom in on. There we go. 3.25 millimeter. I want it just a bit smaller, a bit tighter, because this is for a lovey blanket. So let's go ahead and get into the stitches. I'll have them written up above, as well as I'll be telling you down below. Or I'll have it written down below in the description as well. If you like these kind of videos, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into the instructions. Okay, so for this, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip 3, so I'm skipping the same one that I was in, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to 2 double crochet, 1, 2, pardon me. Then next we're going to chain 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slip stitch back in the second chain, so we're going to come here, 1, 2, so we're going to slip stitch into the second one, to make kind of like a large picot or picot. Then we're going to chain 1, 2 double crochet in the same stitch as the other 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 stitches. We're going to single crochet, and then we're just going to repeat what we just did. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3, 2 double crochet in that fourth space, 1, 2, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come back down to the second chain, slip stitch in, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the same as the other 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip 3 in this fourth chain. We're going to single crochet. We're going to 1, 2, 3, chain 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and right here, oh, add 2 double crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and just skip 4 so that I get into this chain 2 space, but just ignore me. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to go back to the second chain, slip stitch, chain 1, 2 double crochet in that stitch again. So you're just going to repeat this around. So I will meet you on the other side. So I just made it to the end, y'all. Look, that's how much I had left of that skein. And it met up perfectly with the beginning border. I don't know what you'd even call that, honestly. So I'm gonna went ahead and tied it off, and then I'll sew it into the end. Sorry, my camera is acting really sketchy right now, so it cut off as I was working on it, but I did get that around. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit so you can see this a little better. That is my lovey border that I have. And then I need to make some circles because this is for a cow. But I hope you like this tutorial. If you did, then give me a thumbs up down below, and watch out for more tutorials like this to learn new borders, stitches, or even new projects altogether. And then subscribe to my channel as well if you like this kind of stuff. And we will see you guys later. Bye.